My husband was a very good provider. We was married for 38 years. We had been together like maybe 40 something. He retired from Butler Seafood down on Moorhead, but he was down there for like 30 years. And then he got sick. Yeah, because I had health insurance on my job. But then after he got sick and I had to stay home and take care of him, then I lost my health insurance. He was sick for 2 years. He was on kidney dialysis and he was a diabetic. I couldn't put him in a nursing home. I couldn't do that. I miss him. I really do. Because it seemed like things just been going downhill for me ever since.
Then what were you doing before you had to quit your job to take care of him?
I took care of mentally handicapped, mentally challenged young adults. I was there for 13 years. Yeah, I really did.
What did you like about it?
It's a pleasure just to see someone in the condition that those kids was in. There's any little thing that you could do, because some didn't have some had families that didn't care, you know how that goes. But yeah, I loved it.
And you take care of one of your daughters, or she lives with you?
Yeah. She was born with cerebral palsy, and she stays here with me.
How old is she now?
She's 45.
Oh, wow.
She's 45. But she's great.
So
she's just as much help to me as I am to her, really. But we kind of look out for each other.
So how long have you been in this house?
Since 72.
Okay.
This was our first little house, yeah. This was our first little house.
What was the street?
Our only little house. I own the house, you know, it's my house, so I don't owe any payments on it. And that was good. Everything just moving around right nice.
So you raised all your kids here?
All 3 of them. Yep, sure did.
So there's a lot of memories in that.
Yes, it is.
Shortly after her husband died, Ms. Jones was admitted to Carolina's Medical Center in Charlotte for a very serious medical condition.
Gallstones inflamed my pancreas. That's what it was. And I was in the hospital for about a month with that.
After she was discharged from the hospital, Carolina's Medical Center sent Ms. Jones a bill for $30,000. When she was unable to pay, they put a lien on her house.
Before she came to our office, she actually approached Carolina's attorney and offered a settlement of $10,000 to release the lien, and that she would pay the rest in a payment plan. And Carolina's refused that offer.
I said, well, you mean they can just come and throw me and my daughter outdoor? She said, oh, no, that's not going to happen. But now if you die, they can come and throw my daughter outdoor. What the hospital going to do with this house? Oh, here on the west side. Pray tell.
The principal of this loan, or this medical debt, was $34,000 in May of 2006 when the lien was put on her home. That judgment grows every year at 8%, and today it's a $44,000 lien on her house, and that judgment is growing every day.
What would be the effect on her if you were to lose the house?
I mean, she'd be devastated. Where's she gonna go? I mean, I guess they could put her in a she ain't going to no group home. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with her mentally. She just has a physical handicap. The situation with Carolina is devastating. To think that my husband worked so hard to pay for this house, to provide a place for me, and it's gonna just get taken away because of a hospital bill.